Do you want to learn automation testing but you don't know where to start? In this video, I will give you a clear roadmap to learn a step by step automation testing from beginner to advanced. You can build a project, crack interviews, and land your dream QA job. Hey guys, welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. This is Mohit. So in this video, I will give you clear roadmap how to learn automation testing and you will get a job. So guys, the first steps, you have a knowledge of basics testing. Okay, many people they avoid to learn manual testing. Okay, so without manual testing it's a difficult to crack, it's a difficult to understand how software testing works. Okay, learn SDLC, agile types of the testing, and what is the test cases, how to write the test cases, how to design the test plan. So these are things are important. Second steps, you have to select the programming language. You can select Java, Python, JavaScript, any programming language. Then you can select any UI framework like Selenium, Playwright as your base. You can go for Selenium or you can go for Playwright. Both are having the requirement in the market. Then after that you have to also learn Cucumber. So once you are familiar with UI automation, so guys, make sure basics things will not work here. So you must have a hands-on practice with real time. So you have to also do the practice for framework development or a script development. Okay, so once you are familiar with UI automation, you can start to learn API automation. Okay, so in API, you should know the uh, basics of the API's concept. You should know how to create a data and execute using the Postman. Then you can start to learn rest assured. Make sure guys, before learning the rest assured, you must know the Java. Okay. Then after that, you can follow the same practice basics. Then you can develop the framework. Then you can practice the write the test cases for API and automate same test cases using the framework. Okay, then after that you have to also learn the Cucumber framework. You can have a Cucumber with rest assured framework as well. Then some of the CI/CD tools, like you have a very good knowledge in Jenkins, then how to generate the report and these are things are also important. You have also good knowledge on Git. So these are the basics of skill set where you can start your interview. You will get the interview calls. When you are confident with UI and API, you can start to explore mobile testing. You can start to explore performance testing. If you have a knowledge of mobile and performance testing, you can have a knowledge of cloud. You can go for Google Cloud, you can go for AWS or Azure. I think these skills are important. I missed one thing. Nowadays days guys, AI tools. Okay. You should know how the generative AI will work. So if you have any requirement for the automation, generative AI will generate the code for you, and those code you can use in your framework. But this will not helpful for your interview. This will helpful for to increase your productivity, not for the interview. But you have a knowledge how to use generative AI. Okay, I think that's all in this video guys. One more announcement. If you are looking for automation testing from a scratch, automation testing training from the scratch, so we have our online classes guys. So if you want, you can join our full stack automation testing course. If you are interested, you can reach out to me or you can attend the demo. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.